In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use tasks in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the left-hand panel, you'll find the main navigation menu, and this is where you'll go to manage different parts of your CRM, including your tasks. From the left panel, click on Tasks. This will take you to the task management area, where you can view existing tasks and create new ones. Tasks are helpful for keeping track of follow-ups, reminders, deadlines, and other important actions you need to complete inside your sales or customer management workflow. Next, click Create Task. This opens the task creation form, where you'll enter all the key details for the task you want to set up. Here, fill out the necessary information carefully. Depending on your setup, this may include the task title, status, priority, or any other required fields. Try to make the task name clear and specific, so it's easy to recognize later. After that, select the account related to the task. Linking the task to the correct account is important because it keeps your activity organized and connected to the right customer or company record. This makes it much easier to track communication and ongoing work in one place. Then, select the date for the task. Setting a due date helps you stay on schedule and makes sure nothing gets missed. Choose a realistic date based on when the task needs to be completed. If needed, you can also enable a reminder and repeat option. A reminder is useful when you want Zoho CRM to notify you before the task is due, helping you stay proactive. The repeat option is especially helpful for recurring activities such as weekly check-ins or monthly follow-ups, so you don't have to create the same task again and again manually. Now, enter the description. Use this space to add any important context, notes, or instructions related to the task. A good description can save time later, especially if you're working with a team or revisiting the task after a few days. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Save. Your task will now be created and stored in Zoho CRM, ready for you to manage and complete. That's it. You now know how to create and use tasks in Zoho CRM to stay organized, improve follow-up, and keep your workflow running smoothly.